station, casing the clientele like a relentless cameraman. She is elsewhere. She says you keep it knocking but you can't come in. And I said, little sister, don't you do what your big sister does. Down, 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 down. Bubble down, 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 down. Well, desire looks just like you losing night. Run down 50 bystanders in a roadside drive-by. Desire is a grass fire drinking gasoline. She says, open up your mouth, man, let me come inside. Down, 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 down. Down, 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 down. She cracked out. Now they call me Mr. Bitterness. She snapped, yeah. Now they call me Mr. Bitterness. She gone, gone, gone. Leaning up against the wall. Thank you very much.